JR, this is Melissa Pierce. I spoke with you yesterday on the phone about getting your website up and running, and I just wanted to give you a few tips and tricks and show you what I can do for you to get you ranking on Google and to get you shown in maps and the organic map section. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here and show you this is where you want to be listed right here in the maps. And we can definitely get you there to the top. This is the organic section. This is where 70% of your business is going to be coming from. The map section is what 30% of your business is going to be coming from. And we definitely can get you listed in here and get you up there ranking, you know, with these people that like Stanley Steamer. And so I put up the competitor in the Austin area, which is K&M Steam Cleaning. And this is their site. Now, typically, Google likes to see 1,500 to 2,000 words on the front page of the site. And in order to get this optimized, we want to put keywords into onto this page. And basically, a keyword is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. So within this page, there's a whole lot of search words. And what Google does is they crawl people's websites for keywords. And that is one of the main factors that ranks them. I also use this tool called Ahrefs that I put up. It looks like they have quite a bit of power going to their site, and this is what shows the power going to their site. The reason that they have so much power is because they have a lot of backlinks here. They have 257 referring domains, and it looks like they have a lot of keywords here. They do have the organic traffic. This is how many people are clicking on their website monthly. 348 people monthly are searching for them and keywords that they have on their website. So we can definitely get you some of these keywords that they have and some of these backlinks. Now, I know this might sound foreign to you, but a backlink is anywhere you can find one website linking to another via clickable text. So somewhere on someone else's website, there is a link going back to them. And I can definitely go in here and get you some of these links so that they're linking back to you. I can get you the same links. That's just one of the ways that I rank you. Over here. The second competitor that I pulled up here was the Steam Team, and they also have a lot of power to their site. They have a lot of backlinks, and like I said, I can go in and get you some of these same links that they have. They have a lot of keywords, and they have, it looks like they're nationally ranked because the amount of traffic that's coming into them is 2.1K. So yes, it's going to be hard to get you ranked above these guys just because they're so established. But we can definitely get you some of these keywords and the backlinks that are going into this site. Another thing that can help you rank is citations. And a citation is anywhere your business name, number, and address is shown exactly per your Google business profile. So in places like directories like Angie's List, Expertise, the directory that you're in, Yelp, and you definitely want to put your name in as many directories as you can. So that's another factor that will get you up in ranking with your website. So yeah, the three things that gets you to the top of Google are keywords on people's websites, this map section right here, and citations, and backlinks, links that are links on other websites that are linking back to your website. So those are the 3 things that I can do for you to help get you ranked. Also, I wanted to go over this website and take a look at it with you. Their website isn't that good. They don't have a lot of pictures on their website. It looks like the reason they're ranking is because they have a lot of content and a lot of keywords going on here. So if you're interested in getting your website professionally built and the keywords put in so that you are being seen and that you are getting to the top of Google and getting the business that you want, give me a call back. My number is 541-727-2739. Thanks, JR. Hope to hear from you soon. Bye-bye.